English for Everyone. Course Book. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 18.
The spider is frightening. The man is frightened.
The fireworks are amazing. She is amazed. The roller coaster was thrilling. They were thrilled. The wasp is annoying. He is annoyed. The vacation is relaxing. He is relaxed.
I am excited about the football game. This movie is really boring. That meal was disgusting. Your lecture was really interesting. I'm really thrilled about our trip. The movie was very exciting. I always feel relaxed after a bath. I'm really shocked by the news.
Exhausting. Amazing. Annoying. Confused. Depressing. Amused.
I was thrilled that I won the swimming race. The yoga class was great. I feel very relaxed. It's annoying that the show has been postponed. The film was amazing. The special effects were very good. I'm really tired. The marathon was exhausting.
Following the shocking announcement of plans to close Grove Road Library, I'm here to ask the people who use the library what they think of this decision. Dean, you're pleased about the decision?
Yes, I'm excited about joining a new library with better facilities.
And you, Aki?
I'm shocked and confused about why this decision has been made. Grove Road Library is such a beautiful building. The owners should be ashamed.
How about you, Hannah?
I'm annoyed that we weren't consulted, but I can understand why the decision was made. The number of people who use this library is very low.
Mr. Wood and Mrs. Tanner, what are your views?
I first visited Grove Road Library as a child, and my parents did too, so I'm depressed about it. A lot of local history will disappear.
Some people think it's funny that the owners have changed their minds so many times, but I'm certainly not amused.
I quite enjoy cycling. I really like cycling. I absolutely love cycling.
He quite likes playing tennis. He really loves eating cake. She really enjoys playing guitar. I really don't like cooking. She really hates waking up early. They absolutely hate singing.
I really love going to the movie theater. I absolutely hate traveling to the city. I really enjoy reading books. I quite like swimming. I really hate driving to work.
What do you feel like doing today, Julie?
I absolutely love tennis, and I see that there are courts nearby. I quite like windsurfing, too, and I spotted people on the beach doing that.
Or what about swimming? I really like that. The hotel swimming pool has a diving board, and there is the beautiful beach.
I thought you found swimming frightening, Alyssa.
Only in really deep water. Oh, and I want to hike in the wonderful mountains.
Oh, no, I absolutely hate hiking. I find it too exhausting.
Well, how about we go swimming this afternoon? But what shall we do about tonight's meal? You really hate cooking, so shall I cook?
Sounds great.
End of Lesson 18.